Hi, my name is Blake Godfrey, and this is my Part 3 presentation for the Contract Monthly Claim System project. In this video, I will demonstrate the full functionality of my system, including claim submission, validation, file uploads, error detection, coordinator workflow, search and filtering, and the underlying implementation in my controllers, models, and data store. If you look to the right of my screen, you will see my Solution Explorer. This project follows the ASP.NET Core MVC structure. My models folder contains the core domain classes such as claim, claim status, and my view models such as coordinator claim row VM. The business logic sits in the iClaim store, which handles reading and writing claim data to the in-project storage. My controllers include lecture controller, coordinator controller, and each provides the system's core workflows. I will now demonstrate the running of my project. We're going to head on to the lecturer page. A lecturer selects submit a new claim and is presented with the submission form. Here, the lecturer enters their hours, description, and any uploads for supporting documents. I will now demonstrate entering the hours, the hourly rate, possibly a description, and a supporting document. Validation is handled automatically. For example, if I leave the hours field open, there's a message that appears. The hours worked field is required. So I will now add in the hours. If you look to the right of my screen, there is a live calculation. Once the lecturer inputs the desired data, everything gets calculated in real time. So if I remove those hours again and put in a different hour, you'll see that the amount is different. When the lecturer submits the claim, it is written to the SQL in project data store using. Each claim is assigned an ID, timestamp, status, and the field is saved to the uploads folder. Now, to demonstrate that this entry was indeed saved, I head over to my database, my tables, and if you see here, I have my ID and all the other desired fields, as well as the supporting document. If we head back to the project, you'll see that the lecturers can view all of their submissions under the My Claims page. The status updates dynamically based on actions taken by the coordinator. The possible statuses come from the claim status enum, pending, approved, and rejected. Here is the enum, pending, approved, and rejected. If we head back to the website, click home and move to the coordinator side, this page lists all processed and unprocessed lecture claims using the coordinator claim row VM. This table includes lecture name, hours, description, and the checks, which is the indicator, and approve and reject actions. I will now demonstrate. If I click approve on this action and I head back to the lecture page, you will now see that the status is now approved. If I select a new claim and I put the hours as 50, the hourly rate as 100, and if I submit this, and if I head over to my coordinator page, you will see that this claim has been flagged with hours exceed the normal weekly maximum, which is 40 hours. One of the Part 3 requirements was to detect hours greater than 40 days. Any claim over 40 hours automatically receives a flag in the pending view. When the coordinator approves or rejects a claim, the controller updates the claim status and persists the changes to storage. For improved usability, I implemented the full search and filtering. Coordinators can search by lecturer name or filter by status. So they can search, lecturer, or filter. This is processed in the coordinator controller.index action, which applies link filtering over the loaded claims. I can also pick a period, although there weren't any last month, so nothing will appear. And we only have a demo lecturer for this example, so demo lecturer will only appear. And you'll see last month there were no claims. So, in summary, the CMCS system implements all required functionalities for Part 3. Lecturer claim submission with validation, secure file uploads, storage with unique IDs, coordinator approval and rejection, error detection, full search and filtering. Thank you for watching my presentation.